Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz C32 restoration. Super dirty car.
Look at the
You
filth.
guys see it? All the fungus and all the pack rats and all the fake AMG, all that.
It's fake. This is just plastic add-on.
Anyways, to show them the body, show them the nice spare as well. Yeah, you guys see how dirty it is?
Red Brimbos already.
Oh yeah, red brims, big brims, big Hellcat brims.
Dirty.
Yep.
Salvage.
Oh my gosh.
Damn. Are those Forgiatos?
Keep going. You guys see it's super dirty? Look at that. Wow. Yep, we just got this car.
Look, we just got all of that out of the back seat.
That bitch. Oh yeah, don't even sit in there. It's so dirty.
Yeah, it's filthy in here.
It is super filthy.
Look at the filth. Filthy.
I'm gonna show them the trunk.
You're charged.
Holy
yeah, filthy. Oh my god, I think we need like a COVID mask, huh?
Pandemic written all over it.
You see those AMG tips dirty? That's all gonna change.
So we're gonna start with the engine bay.
Work the interior.
The interior?
Yep. So what we're gonna be using today is a bottle of degreaser. We're about to go ham on all this. This is all gonna look very fucking different.
Alright, take two. Here's the engine bay. Nice and dry now. It was wet just a few minutes ago. Just sprayed some water, did a little toothbrush, get a rag, clean things off. Wah, half-ass.
Oh yeah, like that.
Use your dollar store power wash.
Crank the motor. Yep. This is me wetting it with some Armor All. That's why it's all wet and shit. All good. Did a little bit up there as well. First car wash. What option are you choosing, sir?
I'm going to be choosing the Expressor, if you could please.
Car wash.
Are you ready? I'm gonna get on the other side.
We in the Express wash right now. Y'all seen the exterior? Yeah.
Damage that shit did, boy. That shit attacked it.
I was gonna say fucking leave because I was like, it's just a wash. Who gives a fuck? Because they came back and smashed both of these bitches.
That shit fucking attacked it, nigga.
Like I feel like it did that shit on purpose.
Go get the mirror.
That shit's annoying as fuck. I should just pull the fuck out. Let the fuck up.
Oh, it's fucking broke it?
Yeah, it broke that bitch.
So, you guys know, don't come to this car wash to get it automatic.
I was gonna leave too. I was like, we can just wipe it. What are you doing?
Waxing that hole.
Waxing that hole after what? After what kind of wash was it?
That wash is terrible. If you want your mirrors broken, come on down.
Hell yeah. Get your mirrors broken for free here at this car wash.
Free salvage next.
Shit, bro.
Who needs a mirror anyways, right?
It's already salvaged enough. So what kind of product you using? Secret sauce or?
Secret sauce wax.
It's like you're moving very fast.
Fucking quick, that's why.
Oh yeah.
What's up, homie?
How you doing, sir?
Don't go through the automatic unless you want your mirror to come off.
Oh, it has a place?
No, there
There you go.
everybody needs to get in the middle of that cart. Dirty thing.
Yeah.
Drug all that shit in here.
Yeah. Oh, we lost a detail. We lost him. You moved too fast there. Oh, you're Utah Highway Patrol. Oh, is that what you cleaned the exhaust with?
Oh yeah. Now look.
Get the.
See, this side is clean.
Okay.
Let's
see.
People forget.
Let me see.
Door jams.
Oh, too bad we already got them, but yeah, you can redo it.
You got it with the cleaner.
Oh, the cleaner.
Now you're gonna wax it off.
Oh, okay.
Remember, you gotta leave both doors open.
Oh. This is gonna be the end of the C32 AMG Cleveland 2
And as you can see,
restoration.
fucking mud.
Yeah, we got all the mud off the undercarriage. Y'all see it? Don't ever come to this fucking dynamite bullshit. Don't go through any automatics. That's about it. We got. These rims are raggedy. Okay, don't forget your what?
Your stoner.
Stoner.
This makes all the blacks shiny, but it's not gonna be fucking wet.
Okay, it's not gonna be like protecting. Okay. What about my spoiler? Huh? Can you please put it on the spoiler so you can show them the difference? Oh, you see? This is the outro. I'll give you guys some better pictures regardless. Pics of the back. Let me get the back.
$900 list C32 and Cleveland Tune,
Ain't no
1 week
fucks given.
turnaround.
Work hard, believe in yourself, don't give a fuck. That's how you get to the top. Nigga. The guard.
Yeah, ain't no fuss given. Every time I take a leap of faith, ain't no fuss given. Every time I bust open that safe, ain't no fuss given. Every time I hit a nigga in his face, ain't no fuss given. Yeah, ain't no fuss given. Every time a nigga doubt the God, ain't no fuss given. Every time I'm going to the mall.